Hi everyone, today we're going to learn how to measure and cut paper for our origami trees that are going to go into our Arctic landscape. You should have gotten a package of construction paper or sorted colors, 12 by 18. You can see the size right on there on the tag, and you're going to pick out a green piece of paper out of that. You're going to need your ruler, pencil, and eraser, and just like we did our origami penguins and we measured the paper, we're going to do the same thing for this. This time you see the sizes are a little different. We need 6 by 6, 5 by 5, and 4 inches by 4 inches. So just like we've measured before, you line up the edge of the ruler or where it says 0 to the edge of the paper, somewhere near the top. I'm going to look for the number 6 with the big line there, and I'm going to make a mark towards the top of the paper. Then I'm going to move my paper down, and I'm going to make a mark in the middle of the paper, and then again all the way at the bottom of the paper. We have to do it 3 times because the paper is so long. So now we're going to take our ruler, line it up. We see the mark at the top, and we're going to see the mark in the middle. So you have to kind of look. Once you get it the way you want it, have your fingers do a split, put pressure on it, and make a straight line down. Now I move the paper up, line up the ruler with the mark in the middle, the mark at the bottom, and then I'm going to make a line just like I did before. Turn the paper sideways, edge of the ruler, edge of the paper. Look for the number 6 because we're making a 6-inch by 6-inch square. Do it again all the way at the top. And then I'm going to connect those lines. So just like I did for the penguin, measuring that square, I do the same thing for our green paper square that's 6 inches by 6 inches. I take my scissors and then I cut carefully on the pencil line. Now that is 1 square done. My other 2 squares are slightly smaller, 5 by 5, 4 by 4, so I could use the same piece of paper as long as I cut really neatly. So here's my first square. Now I want to do 5 by 5. I line it up again, edge of the ruler, edge of the paper, look for the number 5. And then I can look for the number 5 at the bottom. And then I could connect the 2 lines. You'll just make it top to bottom. And then I do it again on the other side. 5 inches. Line up the ruler, 5 inches, and then I could connect those lines and cut out that square. So 2 squares done, only 1 more to go. And as you can see, by cutting out the different size squares, it will be able to give us different size trees, just like we had different size penguins. And now I do the last one, edge of the ruler, whoops, edge of the paper, look for the inch side. I'm going to do 4 inches at the top, 4 inches towards the bottom, connect the line top to bottom, and connect the line once I go to the other side. 4 inches, 4 inches, put pressure on that ruler so it doesn't move, and then make the line nice and light. The reason why you want to make the line nice and light is because in case you make a mistake, then you can go back and erase. So you don't have to press hard. No reason for that. And then I have my other square cut out. And now I have my 3 squares ready to make my origami trees.